Ridgewater College is a 2-year program with a 10 to 12-week internship that follows. Students have a blend of hands-on experience with laboratory sessions as well as lecture components.
We have animals on campus, which are very much a part of our curriculum and a key piece to our curriculum. Paws and Claws is our on-site clinic where students get the opportunity to work in and learn the ins and outs of a clinic setting, but still under instructor supervision.
We do have instructors who are very passionate about what we do as far as teaching our students the medical side as well as the communication and soft skills that are very valuable to the profession. And we try to tell our students that we are a family. We're kind of their home away from home, allowing them to feel comfortable here, and we try to help them as much as we can.
I chose Ridgewater as it came highly recommended from the technicians that I worked with at my clinic, but I also really liked how affordable it was compared to a lot of other schools, and I really liked the student to staff ratio. It's a lot smaller than other schools. You get more one-on-one experience than you would at a lot of the bigger colleges.
Smaller community, more affordable, more hands-on, and felt like there would be less people than a 4-year.
We are the longest running program in the state. So we have a lot of experience, a lot of expertise, and we care about our students. Very caring environment. Come and see the program, come and see the facility. We have state-of-the-art equipment. We have a beautiful facility, hands-on, animals on campus, caring faculty and staff. Those, I think, are key pieces.
There's a lot of hard work with it, but if you really want to put the effort in, do it. It's really worth it.